You try to avoid problem, I show you the come. Are they inside bus? Almost late for work. Bus, they go. Before you know, police stop our bus. Stretch a hand for driver for Roja. Driver carry sanitizer. Pour inside the hand. We spend 3 hours for if you want. I am in Nigerian, but by force. They don't allow me choose. If not, I for like Canada. There's a difference between I am proud of Nigeria and proudly Nigeria. I am proud of Nigeria. Say you use your kogo eye and your mouth, you stock them. That one concern you. But you say proudly Nigeria. That one be say na my papa cause am. If no be my papa, ladies and gentlemen, this country, you see this country, even when you try to avoid problem will still locate you. I did bad, they drink with my friend. Police, where they checkpoint, they went on break. The only bar they could locate to cool off. Now the bar where I did they drink. Then they one corner, me and my guys, they one corner. They don't drink finish a high. Driver take permission to go peace outside. As he peace finish with a highness, he drive the van go. Leave him colleague. Now the colleague that don't drink their own finish. Time to go. Then go outside, no see motor. They came back and arrested everybody inside there. Say, now we collect that motor. When you try to avoid problem, I show you the come. Are they inside bus? Almost late for work. Bus, they go. Before you know, police stop our bus. Stretch a hand for driver for Roja. Driver carry sanitizer. Pour inside the hand. We spend 3 hours for if you want to clap. If it's not for your mind, still keep your hand. You know, my friends, they came here telling you about Diob. They did not tell you the remedy and the science. I will tell you. I'm a teacher. When you see yourself in Diob, you will hear 3 types of sound, very important. You will hear S, you will hear, you will hear. As you're on that street, Diob, you're walking, and you hear S. Calm down, don't hurry. Somebody need help. If you like, you come back and help. If you are too busy, you can go your way. The person will find help. Now, if you are a girl, this sound is for girls. Now, as you are walking, a babe as you are walking. Now, somebody do you. If you are interested, slow down. The guy will catch up. If you are not interested, move fast. The guy will give up. But if you are in that street, and you hear, you just should take off because your phone one loss. Dude. Oh, guy, you are just clapping. Others have been meeting you. We don't even. I don't meet you. I don't meet people. I block people. So advise yourself before. Okay. Now you see this same tube. My guy from Lagos said they have transferred him UBA. He's coming to my side. I said my side is Diob. When you come to my side, you hold your side. Okay. He was now the first day in office, this guy, a banker, you know how they dress. He has to talk in very well, spray perfume, looking sharp. This same person left the house As he was reaching the bank, we come see say this guy we talking don dey sag. Wetin happen? Oga, they don thief him bed, he no even know. Diop, we leave that my guy. What of the one that happened to me? From one, I go buy a watch, sharp looking watch. How much again? Very expensive watch. How much again I buy that watch? 850 naira. As I pay for watch, I never even waka go far. I dey see bango. I say this is Port Harcourt matter, ma go Bayelsa. For Bayelsa, e dey unique the way they thief. Before you know, armed robbers then go come for night, bust your door, enter, rob you finish, you go, waiting then thief for candle. Because in Bayelsa no light, so candle na hot cake. Now your neighbors then go come, very caring neighbors. They will come to console you. Neighbor, take heart. We know how the matter be. As neighbors console you finish, you go. Lighter don't lose. Now I say this is a Niger Delta team. Ma go north. For Kano, the interesting way they thief. You go to your house, spray perfume. If you like, spray half a bottle. As you enter good, you go just walk past Aboki. Before you know, Aboki man go walk past you. You go walk stop. Come smell yourself. You go to smell Aboki body odor. Your own perfume.
Shout out to girls that like party. Every show I go, you must date, yeah. Every time I see you with artists, it's like you own your own label. Do the X-rated for the paycheck. You get naked for the latest. For the